for being here in Cali, and I hope you take from Cali that question into your work. How do we make peace with nature?
For me, making peace with nature means aligning political, economic, and social systems with a vision of harmony and coexistence.
Making peace with nature is coming up with nature-based solutions to solve society's problems.
Es un asunto de principio y de ética.
Making use of the natural resources in a sustainable way.
Recognizing that nature is not separate from us.
Temos que saber viver em harmonia com a natureza.
Yo creo que esta coalición y esta llamada para la paz con la naturaleza es un proceso que va a ayudar mucho en este campo.
Our hope from COP16 in Cali is that we can sparkle a movement because we can make stronger synergies and connect to each other. So when you're thinking about your business, think about the context where you operate. And then you will see that fostering biodiversity and complying with the Call Me Montreal framework becomes very evident and clear because this mobilization can really be done by everybody.